Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox February Fab Bag for you all, and in this video, we are also going to announce the giveaway winners, which is due today. So if you're excited to know who won this giveaway and what all we have in February's Fab Bag, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we have the Fab Bag box over here, and when I opened it, what I saw was this. I see a very cute red pouch over here and one extra product. So we're going to go in the bag now. So the first product which is kept aside is this one, which is from the brand called Nourish Mantra, and it's their cucumber mint up1 facial cleanser. Now it says this cooling gel cleanser to refresh your skin and senses, made with nature's finest ethically sourced ingredients. Okay, this sounds really promising. I think it is okay. It expires in 2021, like December 2021, so no big deal. And it retails for 875 rupees, and it is of 70 ml product. Now it says you just have to apply this on your wet face and neck, and you can massage gently to remove dirt, makeup and any other impurities. So basically this is a face wash which can be used as a cleanser. So I'm really excited to use this now. Let's see how it smells. Okay, the packaging looks something like this. I don't think you can read the label because it's ulta on the screen somehow, but it says Nourish Mantra over here. And when I smell it, okay, it smells good. It smells like what it is, double mint. Yeah, it smells exactly like double mint. I think it's gonna work really well on my skin because I love anything with cucumber and mint. So yeah, this is the first product we have over here. Now the pouch. Oh my god, the pouch is so adorable. Look at this pouch, guys. It's in the lip shape and it's in bright red color, and that's how it looks. Oh my god, isn't it cute? It's so pretty. I can't think of using this as a pouch. I'm just going to keep it as a decor or any prop for any post or something. It's very adorable, okay, and it's very appropriate for the Valentine theme. So yeah, I'm really happy to receive this, and let's see what we have inside. Okay, we have 3 cards this time. One, we have 20% off coupon code for the Nourish Mantra brand, so you can buy anything from their website and you get 20% off. We have Fab20 code, so you can also use it if you wish to, and they have variety of product which is mentioned over here. Now the second card is, as usual, they are in my Fab Bag contest, and this time the gift is like the gift which winner's gonna get is really very tempting for me because I love this palette and really want to get my hands on it. It's actually Sugar's Contour de Force face palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and this is the gift you're gonna get if you win this giveaway. I am really hoping to win this one because I really need this in my life. Oh my god, thank you so much for arranging such contest every time because it's really helpful for so many people. So yeah, thank you so much for this one. Now we have the info card, and this month they call the Fab Bag the Sealed with a Kiss February Fab Bag, and we have 4 products this time. One of them was the mint and cucumber face wash. Now the second thing we see here is from the brand Sugar, and we have Sugar Smudge Me Not Lip Duo, and it retails for $5.99. You obviously have the option to choose your shade, and I went ahead and chose 06, which is what we have on my lips right now. I don't know, man, I don't have anything like this in my vanity. Like, I don't go for such shade usually, but I really wanted to experiment a little, so I just closed my eyes and I just clicked on the option. It is, I don't know, it feels very different on my lips. Even on the screen it looks very different because I generally don't wear something like this. It's too nude for me, but it's always good to experiment with colors, right? So yeah, I'm really happy that I chose something different than my comfort zone. So that's how the lipstick looks like. It is a liquid lipstick. This side we have a liquid lipstick, and over here we have a clear gloss, which you can apply on any lipstick basically. So I'm going to give you the swatch on my hand. This is how the applicator looks like, and that is the shade which is on my lips also. I don't know, it makes my lip look very thinner or something, I don't know, but I still like the effect and the color on my skin. So yeah, that's the second product we have this month. It is from the brand Sugar, as I mentioned. So that's the second product, and you can choose your shade, don't worry. If you're anywhere near my skin tone and if you're not comfortable wearing such lip shade, then please don't go for this one. You can choose other option as well. Now the third one is again from the brand Sugar, and it's their Arch Arrival Brow Definer, and I went ahead and chose 01 Cherry Brown. You also have option to choose in this brow definer too, like you can choose your shade. They have like 4 different shades. One was jet black, then other was grayish, third one was between brown and black, and I think I chose the darkest brown from all because I really wanted, as I said, I really needed to experiment something. So I thought let's try and get brown color. So that's how the product looks like. This is the pencil. Now it's very convenient because the one side has the brow pencil as usual, and I'm going to give you a swatch. I have used this one on my eyebrow today as well. So that's the color. If you can see, it's little too brown, but it's okay, it matches my brow hair very well, so I don't have any problem with that. So yeah, that's the shade. And on the other side we also get a spoolie brush, which is very like you really need this. Like it's very helpful when you have spoolie brush on your brow pencil itself, because it is very handy and it's very convenient too. So yeah, we also have a spoolie brush at the back of it, and it retails for 499 rupees. Now the fourth and last product in this month's bag is Aura de Purity Lip Scrub, and we have this in variant watermelon, and it is full size product and it retails for 299 rupees. And this is the packaging. It is in plastic tub, and that's how the packaging looks like. When you open it, it has this spill proof lid also, and when you open the lid you have the actual product. So yeah, it smells really good. I can eat this already. It's really nice, and I'm sure it's gonna work just fine on my lips too. And I really want to check out their ingredients though. Okay, it has shea butter, vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, crystal sugar, flavoring and color. Okay, decent, like I really like this one. So that's all we have in February's Fab Bag. I really love the pouch. Oh my god, this is so cute, and the material is kind of like velvet. It's not like the real velvet, but it is something near velvet. I don't know what do we call this fabric, but yeah, I really love this bag a lot. Okay, now that was all for February's Fab Bag. Now I know you are waiting for winners announcement too, so let's just dive into that now. So if you don't know, I announced a giveaway when I hit 1k subscribers, and the gift was like the winner was supposed to get 6 months Fabbag subscription, and that's what we are here for. Like I'm going to announce the winners. So I have opened my YouTube studio and I'm just checking out the number of comments we have on that video. I didn't get like really good response in that one. Like my previous giveaway got huge response, and I'm so overwhelmed with that. It is okay if I didn't get much response on this one too. It's okay, like happens, YouTube is just like that. So yeah, we have like 43 comments this time. one of them was mine, so we can say 42 comments, and I have read all of them. Yeah, I have read all of them. I have liked almost each and every comment. Yes, I have. Now I'm just going to go on random YouTube comment picker, and then we're going to see who won the giveaway, right? So yeah, I have opened Google, if you can see, and I have written random comment picker. I don't think you can see that properly on the screen. So I open the link. I just have to paste my YouTube videos URL over here, which I'm going to do. Just a second. Okay, now we have copied the link. I'm going to paste it in the box given here. We have to filter the duplicate users, and yeah, we're just going to go to the YouTube comment. So we have to just click on get YouTube comments over here. So I'm going to click on that, and it is getting all the comments here. I don't know why my heart is beating so fast, man. Alright, we're going to now click on the start button, which will pick the random winner. I'm very excited for this. Okay, I have done that, and the winner is, oh my god, we have a winner, and her name is Vaishnavi More. Congratulations, Vaishnavi, you have been picked by the random comment picker. I'm going to read your comment now. She says, I have followed all the rules. Okay, I love watching your videos. My favorite video till now is your Diwali vlog. Thank you so much, Vaishnavi, for liking that vlog, because it's very special for me too. I would like to see video from your makeup products under ₹100. Okay, that's a really good video suggestion. Thank you so much for suggesting. I will definitely try to make one special for you. And she further says, I have followed you on Instagram. My Insta ID is -- Alright, so we have a winner, Vaishnavi More. Congratulations. Please DM me on Instagram, or I will DM you, and send me your contact detail, your address and everything, and you will have your 6 months of Fabbag subscription at your doorstep, and you will get one from February as well. So your subscription will be from Feb, March, April, May, June and July. So enjoy. I hope you like your gifts, and if you do, then try to tag me on Instagram, or it is okay if you don't. Honestly, it's okay. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys so much again for 1K subscribers, and I am very happy to reach there, and I definitely want to grow more, but we will go there steady and slowly. So yeah, thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and share this with your friends and family. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.